Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mouli and today I'm going to talk about a product. By seeing the title you already know that today I will be talking about this PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. Today I was just doing my makeup. As you can see, my makeup is almost done except the fixer. Okay, so I was thinking that why shouldn't I share the review of this product. So recently I got a comment from one of my subscribers to give a review on this product and I was like, chalo de dete hai, why not. So this one is not a regular fixing spray. Okay, the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixing Spray is oil control. It has herbal and floral extracts and it says that this is a makeup shield. Although I don't feel like it stays for a very long time, but it stays up to 8 to 12 hours and I don't think you will put on makeup more than that. But I really like this product because it is micro finish makeup fixer, and if you are someone who doesn't want to invest in the MAC makeup fixer, you can invest in this product. The quantity of this product is 120 ml and it retails for 395 rupees. At least I got this for 395 rupees. And one more thing, this is not a sponsorship video. I just forgot to mention that. This is just a random video that I'm reviewing. I don't know PAC knows who I am because I'm a very small YouTuber. So this is the Professional Artist Cosmetics Makeup Fixer and it has very beautiful spray technique which I really like. I'm gonna spray it right here so that you can see how it actually performs. Okay, I like to take this makeup fixer like 10 to 12 centimeter away from me and I just like to spray it all over on my face. But before that I just like to start the spray from the outside because sometimes I just feel like it just suddenly start the spray and I just got a lot of product in a particular place which I really don't like. So I just like to start the spray on the air just like that. As you can see, it's a very micro finish makeup fixing spray. I really like this. This is so soothing and just one spray, as you can see, it covers all over the face. I really like this product. I'm gonna spray it once so that you can understand it in a better way. Just spraying it right here. See? It's a very micro finish. The smell of this product is so soothing, unlike Faces Canada or Color Bar fixing spray, which I really don't like because of the smell that is so nauseating and that doesn't work for me. I don't know. The smell of this product is so soothing and it takes a little bit time to absorb to the skin. As you can see, it is taking a little bit time, right? I have right here, all over on the place, but it will take a little bit of time, but it will stay up to 8 to 12 hours, which I really like about this product. Sometimes what I do, I just spray it on my sponge to damp it, and after that I just dab it all over on my face to fix the makeup as well. You can use any of this technique which I have shown you. It also works, like dabbing, it also works. What I can say, it's a very nice product, and if you want that extra effect like MAC fixing spray which works magically on the eyeshadow as well, this also works on the eyeshadow. Let me show you an example so that you can understand it in a better way. So I have this color right here which I will be swatching on the hand. Firstly, I'm going to take the color, and after that I haven't used any type of spray right here. I'm going to swatch it. See? After that again I'm taking the same color and this time I'm spraying the PAC Micro Finish just like that, and after that I'm going to swatch it. Just see, much deeper, isn't it? So this is what I was talking about. It's a very good alternative for the MAC fixing Fix Plus spray, and it is also budget friendly, it's affordable. If you are from Kolkata, you will find a lot of PAC outlets in Kolkata, and there are lots of outlets in various states. So it's a very good fixing spray. That's why I always recommend you. I think I almost finished this much. I am not sure of that because there is no space where I can see the product, so it's a bummer. But all in all I can say, the product is a 5-star product and definitely go for it. It doesn't have any type of cons, but it has a lot of pros which I already mentioned, And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you liked it, then please do not forget to like this video. And also if you like this look is already up on my Instagram. You can go and give it a watch. And if you are new here, please take a small moment to subscribe to my channel. Please help me to grow. And if you want to see any other product review, any specific other product review, do let me know in the comment section. I would love to do that for you guys, and I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Bye.